Hi, I'm Dan, owner of the Comforted Canine. If you're watching this, chances are your beloved dog is entering their golden years, or maybe you're preparing ahead of time. Either way, I want to walk you through what it really means to care for a senior dog so they can stay comfortable, healthy, and happy. Because whether your dog has been with you since puppyhood or you've welcomed them into your family later in life, they deserve to enjoy this stage with dignity and love. So let's dive into this complete guide to caring for senior dogs. You might be wondering, when exactly does a dog become a senior? Some veterinarians use 7 years old as the starting line. That's often when yearly blood work screenings begin. But according to the American Veterinary Medical Association, senior status is better defined as the last 25% of your dog's expected lifespan. That means smaller breeds may not be even considered seniors until 8 to 11 years old. Medium breeds usually hit that milestone between 8 to 10, and large dogs often around 8 to 9 years. And giant breeds, they age faster, sometimes becoming seniors as early as 6 or 7. You'll likely notice gradual changes: a graying muzzle, cloudy eyes, more naps and less activity, hearing or vision loss, stiffness, slower walks, or hesitation with stairs, even some cognitive changes like confusion or altered sleep cycles. These are all signs that your dog's care needs are shifting. Now, senior doesn't mean sick, but aging does increase the risk of certain conditions. Some of the most common include dental disease, painful gum issues, infections, even tooth loss, obesity, lower activity can lead to weight gain, worsening arthritis, and other illnesses. Hearing and vision loss, senior dogs may startle more easily or bump into furniture. Arthritis, one of the most common, causing stiffness and pain. Cognitive dysfunction, similar to dementia in people, leading to disorientation or behavior changes. Cancer and heart disease, sadly risks increase with age. Kidney, liver, and endocrine diseases, diabetes, hyperthyroidism, and Cushing's disease are all more common in older dogs. The important takeaway? These conditions aren't always preventable, but many can be managed, especially with early detection. So, what should veterinary care look like as your dog ages? First, plan on a wellness exam every 6 months instead of just once a year. These visits allow your vet to track trends, catch subtle changes, and stay ahead of developing condition. Vaccinations still matter too, though your vet may adjust the schedule based on lifestyle and risk. Parasite prevention? That should be year-round, no matter your dog's age. Vets often recommend screening tests, blood work, urinalysis, fecal exams, and sometimes chest x-rays to check for heart or lung changes. These tests help establish a baseline and can reveal problems before symptoms appear. Let's talk about what you can do at home, starting with nutrition. Not every dog needs a special senior diet, but many benefit from food that's easier to digest, lower in calories, and tailored to aging bodies. Always choose diets that are complete and balanced. Look for AAFCO or WSAVA standards. If your senior has a chronic condition like kidney disease or diabetes, your vet may recommend a prescription diet. And remember, weight management is critical. Extra pounds put enormous strain on joints and organs, while sudden weight loss can signal serious issues. A monthly weigh-in is a great habit. Mobility challenges are very common in senior dogs. Arthritis, stiffness, or muscle loss can make everyday tasks harder, but there's a lot you can do to help. Add non-slip rugs or mats to slippery floors. Use ramps or pet stairs instead of expecting jumps. Provide orthopedic beds with supportive memory foam. Elevate food and water bowls to reduce strain. Add night lights to help dogs with vision loss navigate more safely. And if your dog shows signs of pain or reduced mobility, ask your vet about medications or therapies. Never give over-the-counter pain relievers without professional guidance. Consistency is comforting for senior dogs. Stick to regular meal times, medication schedules, and potty breaks. But don't forget about enrichment. Mental stimulation is just as important as physical comfort. Try puzzle toys or lick mats, gentle massage or grooming sessions, short play sessions or training refreshers, treat or toy scavenger hunts, calm doggy play dates if your pup enjoys them. Even a slower, shorter walk can provide wonderful sensory experiences. If your senior has been diagnosed with a condition, medications will likely be part of the care plan. These could include anti-inflammatories, pain medications, antibiotics, or drugs to help with cognitive decline or incontinence. Supplements may also help, but choose wisely. Look for products with the National Animal Supplement Council Quality Seal, and always run new supplements by your vet. Some of the most helpful include omega-3 fatty acids for inflammation, joint and heart health, glucosamine for joint support, probiotics for digestion and immunity, and excitingly, new medications targeting the aging process itself are on the horizon. This is the hardest part to talk about, but it's also one of the most important. Quality of life monitoring helps you notice subtle changes in your dog's comfort and happiness. Tools like quality of life scales can guide your decisions and help you track trends over time. When the time comes, humane euthanasia can be a compassionate choice, helping your dog leave the world peacefully without prolonged suffering. It's never an easy decision, but it's one rooted in love. Caring for a senior dog is both a responsibility and a privilege. Their needs may change, but the bond you share only deepens with time. With the right care, your dog's golden years can be filled with comfort, dignity, and joy. At the Comforted Canine, we know how much peace of mind it brings to have trusted care for your pets, especially seniors when you can't be there. If you'd like to learn more about how we can support you and your dog, visit us at comfortedcanine.com. Thanks for watching me today, and give your senior pup some extra love.